Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here again with another video, and this here is going to talk about my 30-day free trial / challenge / mentorship coaching program that you get to check out. I treat you like a paid client for the 30 days, meaning if you need anything set up inside your business that you didn't have done already, like if you need help with your PTIN application, I got you. If you need help with your EFIN application, I got you. If you need help with your EIN application, I got you. If you need help set up ID.me, I got you. Everything that I would do for a paid coaching client for 30 days, I help you get done to show you who I am, what I'm about, and why I do what I do when it comes to helping a new person get started through mentorship and coaching. And this awesome career field and industry of tax preparation and taxation is what I'm all about. And the big picture is I help people start an online business and make money. I just happen to have a specialized expertise that I pitch with on a daily basis, which is my tax preparation, mentorship, and coaching program. But I help people make money online. That's the big picture that I bring to the marketplace. Is I help people make money online. I just happen to have a specific target market niche along with that, which is the person who wants to start a career and business in the tax preparation industry, and for people who want to make money online. Those are the people I serve. Those are the people I work with. Those are the people I'm looking for. I'm looking for the person that's going to show up, invest, do the things they need to do each and every day inside their business based on the training, the support, and the information given so you can get the results you want to get for your business. The reason why people don't acquire the financial success they want to have is because they don't do what they need to do, or they don't do what's required inside their business to get the results they want to get. And that's for a few reasons. One, they don't invest in themselves to even find out what that looks like and what they should be. Two, if they haven't taken action in the appropriate way to get the results they need to get. So those are two most common reasons why the average small business owner fails in business and never reaches six figures, because they don't do what's required inside their business. They don't show up in a way that's needed to help get the results they want to get. They don't fully understand that the way you show up and show out inside your business is directly tied to the income you want to make. And so once you understand that, and once you get that emotionally and mentally and psychologically and spiritually, and implement that inside your business, it's going to cause you to show up in a different way every day. You're going to show up knowing that I'm here to serve. I'm here to be of service to my target market. I'm here to be of service to the person that's looking to get started in this career industry, who wants to get started for themselves but not by themselves. That's the person I'm looking to serve. That person is also the person that's going to show up, going to invest, looking for a return on their investment by doing everything that's needed to get the results that they need to get the type of results they need to get. That means they're action takers that's going to show up faithfully and do what's required and not what's needed but required to get the results they want to get. And so until you become that person, you'll never truly get the type of success you want to have inside your online business. It just won't happen for you. Because what you don't understand is it takes a level of commitment, focus, desire, discipline, mindset, and understanding that you need to have already within you that's going to allow you to move in a massive way to get the results that you need to get. Online is crowded. Online is noisy. Online has a whole lot of things going on within it by itself that you don't need to show up less than what the online environment has already going on. You got to show up in a totally different way that's going to stand out above the noise, the scam, the haters, the BS, and all those other things that already exist online. You got to stand up and stand out and show up and show out in a way that's going to get people to turn their heads, get people to look at you, get people to focus on you, get people to take a look at you and say, that's something different about that young lady. There's something different about that young man. Let me learn more. I like their marketing message. It's speaking to me. Let me learn more. Let me hang out. Let me get to know these people on a more deeper level. You know what I'm saying? And so those are the things that you have to have a mindset for to understand that's going to help you get the results you want to get inside your business. Everybody wants to make money inside their business. Everyone's financial goal is different. You got some group of people who want to do 6 figures. You got a group of people who want to do 7 figures. You got a group of people who want to do 5 figures. And you got a group of people who want to do 4 figures and they're satisfied. So we got a different group of people who got different results they want to accomplish inside their business. And the higher your results are, the more you got to stand up and stand out. It's real simple. It's ain't rocket science. Don't make it more difficult than what it is. If you ain't true to this, it's going to show in your commitment to show up and show out each and every day inside your business. Because if you believe in yourself and you believe in what you do and you're here to provide a service to your end user, to your target market, you believe in your product, you believe in your service, you believe in everything you're about when it comes to the business and why you started it, then that should be the motivating force that you're going to use to get you to show up each and every day online. You're going to pick your platforms that you're going to hang out on and build your brand and build your reputation and build know, like, and trust and build yourself as a trusted authority and a trusted advisor in the marketplace where people, when you speak, will listen. When you speak, people will sit back and hang out to learn more. That's the type of entrepreneur you want to become. Because 99.9 of times, we're not that type of person getting started when it comes to having a business. We're not there yet. If we keep it real, we keep it honest, and we be transparent with ourselves, we just not that type of person yet. But we're working on getting there. And as close as we get there, the more success we're going to get, the more we're going to build an audience, a community, a brand, the more awareness we're going to spread out to the marketplace. And the marketplace means simply social media platforms that you hang out on. YouTube is the #1 spot that I make all my money from when it comes to my coaching clients and my mentorship program for new tax professionals. Facebook will replace YouTube when it comes to being my #1 spot to making money, because what I realized by hanging out on Facebook this year and the way I did is that my ideal client targeted market is right there, up close and personal, hanging out each and every day, where I get to communicate with them through videos, through posts, through engagement, through building a relationship, through all the different strategies that I'm going to use to help that manifest itself. And so Facebook is going to allow me to make more money with my mentorship and coaching program than YouTube will, unless I decide to run ads on YouTube, which will counteract Facebook, where I will make more money from YouTube than Facebook if I'm doing paid ads. But right now, I'm strictly organic. I'm not doing any paid traffic strategies for the most part. I might do a little paid something here, paid something there, but for the most part, my awareness and my traffic and who I'm about is all organic reach. And so if you're looking to take advantage of this 30-day coaching special session that starts September the 4th, where you get treated like a paid client, meaning if you're the new person that hasn't got your online account set up yet, you don't have your EIN number yet, you don't have your e-file advisor application done yet, you don't have your pension application done yet, this is an opportunity to get those things done for free because you've been treated like a paid client for this 30-day free session. It don't get no sweeter than this. You get to learn from a real entrepreneur / business owner who has real world experience in this industry for 22 years, 16 of being a business owner, where I'm qualified to help you start and grow a profitable business for yourself based on real world training, real world experience, real world interaction with people. That's what I bring to the marketplace. That's the solution I have. If you want to tap into that solution, you want to get with somebody who has your best interest at heart, who's going to help you to succeed. Half of the battles you showing up. I got my part faded. I got you. You got to show up on your part and do your part, and we coming together as one is going to help you to get the results you want to get. Because I'm going to point it out to you. I ain't going to sugarcoat it. I'm going to point it out to you and tell you, hey, you slipping in this area. You got to upgrade in this area. You got to do this over here. You got to do that over there. You got to sit back and make these things happen. And don't rush to make it happen. Don't get sloppy with it. Be strategic with it. Be intentional with it. So that's the type of input and leadership and training and support that you get working with me, because I'm true blue to the game. I'm not no one-hit wonder. I'm not no person who faking it till I make it. I'm a person who's been there and done it over and over again with helping people start their own tax preparation business. The results is up to them though. I can't get results for you. You ain't got the type of money to pay me to get results for you. So take advantage of this 30-day trial coaching mentorship experience that's going to allow you to get treated like a paid client for 30 days. So if, like I just said, if certain aspects of your business you haven't got done yet, leverage this time to make it happen. September starts our general tax season across the nation for everybody. Everybody going to have their people coming in, either online or in-house or a combination of both, getting them trained up to be ready for the upcoming tax season. You want to be one of those people. You want to be confident in your ability to prepare individual 1040 tax returns with confidence. You want the confidence in yourself to use professional software to do the work with. Confidence. You want to go out on social media in confidence and promote your business each and every day proudly. Let people know what you had to offer. What's in it for them. What's different between you and the next person. These are the things you want to address. You want to represent in a way that proudly letting people know that, hey, I'm qualified to be here. I'm qualified to help you. You just have to know it. And the way I get to show you this is let you into my world for free for 30 days. Starting September the 4th. Thank you for watching the video. Share this video with somebody who you know looking for mentorship coaching when it comes to starting an online business. Share this video with them. Let them know, hey, I got this person I think you might like. Yeah, all right. You know what I'm saying? But you check them out. See what you think about it. Because see what I think about something, somebody else going to think about it differently. I'm here to be of service to you. I'm here to help you get a result inside your business. I'm here to help you make money. And the way I help you make money is point you in the right direction each and every day. Give you all the tools and resources and education and training and support you need to help facilitate that success. It's up to you to implement it. It's up to you to want to get a result on your investment by working with me. I got people who invested $1,500, $2,000, $1,200, who don't show up inside their own business to get the results they say they want to get. I'm not looking for those type of people. I don't want to work with those type of people. If you're a person that's going to invest your money with me and not going to show up to do the work, to make it happen, to get the return on the investment that you say you want to have for the reason why you started this business in the first place, then don't do me no favors, because believe me getting clients is not an issue. Getting the right clients is all of it for me. Because see, I'm serious about what I do. I'm passionate about what I do. I'm real about what I do. And I'm looking for those type of people who want to connect with somebody who has the same like-minded emotions and ideology and feelings and mindset. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.